To see your custom pipeline reports, click the Reports drop-down on the top of your screen. From here, click Custom Pipeline Reports. This is where you can see all your customized KPIs for your account in one place. From here, you can choose what pipelines you want to see by clicking the drop-down that says Choose Pipelines to Add. From here, select the pipeline you want to see in this Customize Reports area, then click Add. Now you can see this pipeline has appeared in this Reports area. If you want to add a custom KPI for this pipeline, simply add the +Add KPI button. For the KPI details, you can choose the pipeline stage for the source of this KPI. In the KPI label area, you can create a customized KPI label. It needs to be a max of 20 characters. You can choose a KPI background color. When you're ready to save these KPI details, click Save Changes. As you can see now, this customized KPI has appeared under this pipeline. You can always add more KPIs for this pipeline by clicking the Add KPI button. All you need to do is click the Add KPI button. You can select a pipeline stage for its source. For example, if you want to see how many responses you received, you would select the Response Received stage. You can edit the KPI label if needed. You can change the KPI color. And when you're ready for next steps, click Save Changes. Continue building out your custom KPIs to your desire. I'll show you how to quickly add a couple more custom KPIs. This is what common KPIs people want to see for their pipeline. You can always add more or less KPIs to your desire. If you want to add another pipeline to see its custom KPIs, all you need to do is select another pipeline to add. Then you can go ahead and add custom KPIs for this pipeline as well. A couple cool features to know. You can order by the different options here on this dropdown. You can choose the date range for the KPIs you want to see. Pick pipelines to add to this screen by clicking this drop down here. If you hover over the notes icon, you are going to see the pipeline notes. If you click this button, it will open up the pipeline. If you choose this button, it will take us to the pipeline builder. If you click the Remove from List, it will remove this pipeline and its KPIs from this screen. Feel free to play around with this screen to add the pipelines and custom KPIs that you want to see so you can track your numbers carefully to get those results you want.